Hello guys, welcome back to the Civil Engineering YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about the concrete cover, that why we provide the concrete cover in our structure members. So it's very important to know the main factors affecting the concrete cover and the main important terms that are related to the concrete cover. So the concrete cover is provided in any structure members in order to protect the reinforcement bars from corrosion, from fire, and from other chemicals. So first, to define the concrete cover. So if this is my beam, here I see my beam of any length, and here is the cross section of the beam. So the concrete cover is the distance from the extreme fiber of the beam to the start of the reinforcement bar. So this distance is known as the concrete cover. Similarly, from here at the top, it is the distance from the top of the beam to the start of the reinforcement. This distance is known as the concrete cover in the beam. Similarly, we see here in the longitudinal section of the beam that it is the distance from the extreme fiber of the beam till to the reinforcement. This distance is known as the concrete cover. Now, why we provide the concrete cover? This is also an important thing to discuss here. The main factors or the main important reasons that why we provide the concrete cover is that in order to protect the reinforcement, to protect the steel bar or the reinforcement, to protect the steel bars from corrosion. Because due to the corrosion of the steel reinforcement, the lifespan of the structure can be reduced. If we see here, if this is in a picture, for example, I took some picture from internet and I want to show you the corrosion of the steel bar. Here we see there is corrosion phenomena on the surface of the steel bar, and due to this corrosion, what happens, the tensile capacity of the steel bar is reduced, and due to the reduction of this tensile capacity, the whole capacity or the whole load bearing capacity of the structure member is reduced. So we should be very careful in order to avoid this corrosion phenomena. So to protect the steel bars from corrosion, we provide the concrete cover to the steel reinforcement. This is the one reason. The other reason, the second reason is to protect the steel bar not only from corrosion but also from fire. If fire happens in any building, then we have to provide higher concrete cover in order to protect the reinforcement bar from the fire. So in order not to reduce the tensile capacity, if the fire goes to the steel bar and it reduces the capacity, so what happens? The whole loading capacity of the structure is reduced. The third factor is to protect the steel bars from the chemicals. There are some chemicals in the environment that can affect the reinforcement surface. So we have to also protect these steel bars or reinforcement from chemicals. So we have to provide the concrete cover. So these are the three main reasons to provide the concrete cover in order to protect the reinforcement from different chemicals, from fire and from corrosion. What is basically corrosion? It's very important here to discuss here because it is an important phenomena for the steel reinforcement when we don't provide enough concrete cover. So basically, if this is a steel bar, here is a steel bar, what happens? The chloride enters from the outside environment to the steel reinforcement and it reacts with the steel bar and it produces some, here if I draw with a different color. So this is a steel bar, and now the chloride attacks on this steel bar from different direction, and what happens? They produce some corrosion products around the steel bar, and thus it decreases the tensile capacity of the steel reinforcement. So we have to avoid this corrosion product. So in order to avoid it, we must have to provide the higher concrete cover, and this is one of the most important phenomena in the structure members where they are exposed to the saline environment, where there is high content of the chloride in the environment. So in these cases, we have to provide higher concrete cover as compared to the members that are not exposed to the saline environment. I mean saline environment. Saline environment are those environment where there is high amount of the chlorides present in the air. So in this region, we have to provide higher concrete cover. So hope you guys understand that why we provide the concrete cover and what are the factors that affect the concrete cover. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe.